Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lena.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Adam. I'm really happy you are here today. It feels like a quiet, calm day.
Hello, everyone. I'm Lena. Yes, it really feels calm today. I like this kind of day. Not busy, not loud, just simple.
Exactly. Today feels slow, in a good way. No rushing, no stress. Just a normal day.
Those are my favorite days. I think many people like days like this. Simple days feel comfortable.
Yes, comfortable is a good word. Before we start talking, I want to say thank you. Thank you for being here with us.
Yes, thank you so much. If you enjoy these conversations, you can like the video. You can subscribe too. It really helps the channel.
And if you know someone learning English, you can share this video. Learning English is easier with friends.
Very true. Okay, Adam, let's talk about today. A calm and simple day.
Yes. So, Lena, how did your day start today?
It started very quietly. I woke up early, but not too early. The sun was soft.
That sounds nice. Did you wake up by alarm?
No, actually. I woke up naturally. That made me feel relaxed.
I like that feeling. No loud sound, just waking up slowly.
Yes, I stayed in bed for a few minutes. I looked at the window. The street was quiet.
Was it cold outside?
A little cold, but fresh. The air felt clean.
I can imagine that. What did you do next?
I went to the kitchen. I made some tea. Just simple tea.
Tea is perfect for calm mornings. Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had toast and fruit. Nothing heavy.
That sounds healthy. I had something similar today.
Really? What did you have?
I had eggs and bread and coffee. I always need coffee.
You always say that. Coffee is your friend.
It is, but today I drank it slowly, not in a rush.
That makes a big difference. When you slow down, everything feels easier.
Exactly. After breakfast, I didn't check my phone right away.
Oh, that is good. Many people check their phone first.
Yes, but today I didn't. I wanted a quiet start.
I like that idea. What did you do instead?
I opened the window. I let fresh air come in. I listened to the sounds outside.
What sounds did you hear?
Birds, a car passing slowly, someone walking.
Those small sounds feel peaceful. They remind us that life is simple.
Yes, sometimes we forget that. We think life must be busy.
But it doesn't have to be. Simple days are important.
I agree. After that, I did some small work.
Work already?
Yes, but light work. Nothing stressful.
What kind of work?
I answered a few emails. I wrote some notes. Very calm tasks.
That sounds manageable. Did you feel pressure?
No, I didn't push myself. I took breaks.
Breaks are important. People forget that.
Yes. After some work, I took a short walk.
Oh, I love walks. Where did you go?
Just around my neighborhood. Nothing far.
Was it busy outside?
Not really. A few people walking, some shops open.
Did you say hello to anyone?
Yes. I greeted a neighbor. We smiled.
That is very nice. Small moments like that matter.
They really do. They make the day feel human.
I agree. I also went outside today.
Really? Where did you go?
I went to the local shop just to buy bread.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I took my time. I didn't rush.
That's the key today. No rushing.
Exactly. The shop owner knows me. We talked for a bit.
What did you talk about?
About the weather, about how quiet the town feels.
Those are simple topics, but they feel warm.
Yes, We don't need big topics every day.
Very true. After the shop, what did you do?
I came home. I cleaned a little. Nothing serious.
Cleaning can be calming too.
Yes, I put things in order. It made me feel clear.
I like that feeling. When the space is clean, the mind feels lighter.
Exactly. Then I made lunch.
What did you eat?
Rice and vegetables. Simple food.
That fits the day. Simple food for a simple day.
Yes, after lunch, I felt a bit sleepy.
Did you rest?
I did. I sat on the sofa. I didn't sleep, just rested.
That's good. Rest doesn't always mean sleeping.
True. Sometimes just sitting is enough.
I did something similar. I read a few pages of a book.
Oh, reading is perfect for calm days.
Yes, I didn't read much, just a little.
That's enough. No pressure.
Exactly. And now, here we are, talking together.
Yes, talking about life as it is. Simple, calm.
And very real. I think many people listening have days like this.
Yes, maybe they feel tired, maybe they feel peaceful.
And that's okay. Not every day needs excitement.
I agree. Calm days help us breathe.
They help us reset.
Adam, do you think people feel guilty when they do less?
Sometimes, yes. People think they must always do more.
But doing less can be healthy.
Very healthy. Life is not a race.
Exactly. It's okay to slow down.
And today is a good example of that.
Yes, a calm and simple day.
In a moment, I want to talk about evenings, how calm days end.
That sounds nice. Evenings are my favorite time.
Mine too. Let's talk about that next.
So, Lena, let's talk about the evening. For me, evenings are special on calm days.
Yes, I feel the same. Evenings feel soft. The day slows down.
Exactly. When the sun starts going down, everything feels quieter.
I like that moment. The light changes, the air feels different.
Yes, after the afternoon, I don't want noise.
Me too. I like low sounds, soft voices.
What do you usually do in the evening?
Well, first I prepare dinner. Nothing big.
Do you cook every evening?
Most evenings, yes. Simple meals, easy food.
That's good. Cooking can be relaxing.
Yes, if you don't rush. Today I cooked slowly.
What did you make?
Soup, vegetable soup.
That sounds perfect for a calm day.
It was warm and light.
I didn't cook today. I had leftovers.
That's fine too. No stress.
Yes, after eating, I cleaned a little.
I did the same, just the basics.
Then I sat near the window.
Oh, I like that. What did you see?
The street lights, a few people walking.
Small town evenings are special.
Yes, not crowded, not loud.
Everyone moves slowly.
It feels safe.
I agree. I sometimes think big cities forget this feeling.
Yes, in big cities, everything is fast.
But in small towns, life breathes.
That's a nice way to say it.
Thank you. I really feel that.
After sitting, I watched a little TV.
What did you watch?
Nothing exciting, a calm show.
That fits the day.
Yes, I didn't want drama.
I didn't watch TV today.
What did you do?
I listened to music, soft music.
Music changes the mood.
Yes, it makes me feel peaceful.
Sometimes silence is good too.
Yes, silence is not empty. It's full of rest.
That's very true.
Adam, do you think people are afraid of quiet?
Some people are. They feel uncomfortable.
Why do you think that is?
Because quiet makes us think, and thinking can feel heavy.
That makes sense, but quiet also heals.
Yes, we need both noise and quiet.
Balance is important.
Exactly. Later in the evening, I prepared for sleep.
Do you sleep early?
On calm days, yes, I like early nights.
Me too. I don't like staying up late.
I washed my face, I brushed my teeth. Simple routine.
Routines make life easy.
Yes, then I got into bed.
Did you use your phone?
Just a little. Then I put it away.
That's good. Phones keep us awake.
Yes, I closed my eyes and relaxed.
I did something similar. I thought about the day.
What did you think?
I thought today was enough.
That's a powerful thought.
Yes, I didn't do much, but it was okay.
Life doesn't need big events every day.
Exactly. Life is made of small moments.
Like tea in the morning.
Like soup in the evening.
Like a short walk.
Like a smile from a neighbor.
These things matter.
They really do.
I think many people forget this.
Yes, they chase big things.
But calm days keep us strong.
They give us energy.
They help us feel human.
Adam, what would you say to someone listening now?
I would say it's okay to slow down.
That's a good message.
You don't need to do everything.
You don't need to be busy all the time.
A calm and simple day is enough.
Yes, life as it is already good.
That reminds us of our topic.
Yes, this is life as it is.
Simple. Real.
And honest.
Before we finish, let's think about some words we used.
Okay.
Okay, we talked about calm days.
Yes, calm means quiet and relaxed.
We talked about simple food.
Simple means easy, not complicated.
We talked about rest.
Rest means stopping and relaxing.
We talked about routine.
Routine means things you do every day.
And we talked about balance.
Balance means not too much, not too little.
Very good.
I like learning words this way.
Naturally, through conversation.
It feels easier.
That's the goal.
Adam, do you have a question for our listeners?
Yes, I do. I want to ask something simple.
What is it?
I want to ask something simple. What makes your day calm?
That's a beautiful question.
You can write a short answer.
It can be one sentence.
Tea, a walk, music, rest.
We would love to read it.
Yes, and remember, you are doing great.
Learning English takes time,
But you are here.
and that matters.
Thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you for listening.
This is Mr. English Official.
We will see you next time,
Take care.
and enjoy life as it is.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.